Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my channel is all about fashion, beauty, makeup, hauls and DIY. And today's video is gonna be very interesting because today's video is about Myntra haul and I'm very excited to show you all my whole Myntra haul. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, over here I have kept all my parcels. So let's open my first parcel and let's see what do we have. So my first orders is this. It is lavender pant and I extremely loved it. The quality of this is very good, I must say, like quality wise, and it is pure cotton. So yeah, it's very nice. And I'll add clip so that you all can see that how it actually looks. So I'll add one clip and you all can see.
So guys, you can see the size is so up to mark. Like, I just love it and it is so comfortable. I just love it.
And this, I extremely loved it and I'm gonna give it 5 on 5 star. So extremely love this order. Now let's go to our second order. So that is this. Wow. So this is the top that I ordered. As you all can see, color is so pretty and fabric is, oh my god, literally pure cotton, and I extremely loved it. And it is the color is mint green, as you all can see. It is a wrap type top. So yeah, I will add one clip so you all can see the fitting. And I extremely love this top because the color is very good, and I must say I will give this top 5 on 5 star. I am absolutely loving this Myntra haul because बहुत टाइम से मैंने मिंत्रा पे इतना ज़्यादा कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं किया है. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम ऑर्डरिंग दिस स्टफ. सो या, आई लिटरली लव द क्वालिटी वाइज, साइज वाइज, सब तरह से मैं लाइक आई लव्ड इट. द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर जो था ये लेवेंडर पैंट वाला, आई लिटरली लव दिस वन. इसे भी मैंने 5 on 5 स्टार दिया और इसे भी मैंने 5 on 5 स्टार दिया. यू कैन सी. बाय द वे, आई विल ऐड वन क्लिप.
So yes, when it comes to size, you can see that it is so much up to the mark, and the detailing of this top, I just loved it, and the color, everything was up to mark.
Now let's move to our next order. I mean my next pack of order, you can see. Yeah, so I have ordered this jogger and extremely I love this jogger. Like it's in floral print, and again quality is very good, and this I've seen on Myntra, and this is very these joggers are very much in trend, I must say. So I ordered this and it was not much expensive also. ये बहुत सस्ता भी था, ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं था. And literally I love these joggers. ये yellow and blue print है, इसमें white है, as you all can see. And the quality, और ये जो नीचे से इसका ये जो है, like it is very much stretchable. So I must say you all should go for it because ये it is stretchable. And fitting wise ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे से fit आया. I extremely love its fitting. And the cloth, it is ये irritatable नहीं है because you know summers are on, and I don't want, you know, jeans जो बहुत sticky हो. I just don't like it. So I must say you all should go for this, and I will give this again 5 on 5 star. Now let's go, and I will add clips. Okay, सबकी एक clip add हो जाएगी.
Oh my god guys, I was feeling so cool in this jogger, literally, and it is so comfortable, and the fitting wise, everything was so much up to the mark, and I just loved it. I was feeling very much, you know, comfy, cozy. Yeah.
Now next package is this. Wow. So this is the set and it is in green color, neon types. So ये पूरा set है guys. इसका upper is this and again I'm extremely in love with its quality. इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है and price wise भी ये बहुत average था. It was about 1200 something off पे मिला था मुझे. I don't remember exact price, पर मैं आप सबको price वगैरह सब कुछ mention कर दूंगी, links भी नीचे mention कर दूंगी. If you all guys want to buy, you can buy. So you all can see this is, ये इसका upper है and ये इसका lower है. एंड ये जो है आई एक्सट्रीमली लव दिस पॉकेट्स. इसकी पॉकेट्स मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी एंड क्वालिटी वाइज अगेन 5 on 5 एंड आई विल ऐड क्लिप ऑल्सो. और आप उसमें देख सकते हो दैट यू नो साइज कितना फिट आया है. सो आई एक्सट्रीमली लव दिस वन.
Again guys, it was so comfortable and then again the size was so up to the mark. I just literally love this whole Myntra haul and I hope you all guys are too liking it. So yeah, I love this one.
Now next order, let's unwrap it. Again it's top. I guess it's from Roadstar. Yeah, so this is the top. It is very simple top because I love simple top. I don't know why. And so it is from Roadstar. Again I don't remember the price, but yeah, quality is again very good and guys price worth it है. Like it is not very much expensive clothes. जो मेरे सारे clothes है वो ज़्यादा expensive नहीं हैं. And quality wise I must say I extremely loved all the tops. As you all can see, I just love this one. Color is so pretty. Let's go to our next order. This package I have not opened it. So yeah, again this is the top. It's from again Roadstar brand. This is the top and side में you have this design also. So this basically I bought for gym. बिकॉज जिमी ये थोड़ा जिमी टाइप्स है. जिम के लिए मैंने स्पेशली ये टॉप मंगवाया था. बट क्वालिटी इज़ लिटरली वेरी गुड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज मुझे ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू देना है. इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है बट द कलर आई डोंट लाइक इट बिकॉज जो कलर मुझे शो हो रहा था इट इज़ नॉट दैट कलर. So I must say I don't like it much. I will give it 5 on 2 or 3 star because color is not what I wanted. ये वो कलर नहीं है जो मुझे चाहिए था. बट या प्राइस वाइज इट्स वेरी चीप. बट I must say you know it is not up to the mark. Like सारे clothes were up to the mark but this one is not because this is not the color I wanted or I thought of or. So yeah, I don't like it much because the color is not what I actually wanted और जो दिख रहा था वो नहीं है. So yeah, honest review, I don't like it much. So 5 on 2. Now just stop this gossip.
Yes guys, it was a little bit loose but yeah, it was comfy and you can see we get this detailing that the half cut and this style is not what I wanted. So yeah.
Now our last parcel for this haul and last order too. Yeah, that is this. So you know I am very makeup junkie, so I ordered one eyeshadow. So this is glittery eyeshadow, you all can see. So ये White and Wild क्या है brand and you all can see this. वाओ, लाइक पिगमेंटेशन कितना अच्छा है. बट अगेन वन ड्रॉबैक, आई थॉट ये थोड़ा बड़ा होगा बिकॉज प्राइस वाइज, एंड आई थॉट बिकॉज जो दिख रहा था आई एम सेइंग, बट इट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल. बट या इट्स क्यूट, इट्स गुड फॉर माई ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली किट. ट्रैवल के लिए ये बहुत सही है बिकॉज आई कैन टेक इट एनी वेयर. सो फॉर दिस आई विल गिव स्टार 5 on 3 because I thought it would be big but it's not. So yeah guys, ये था मेरा full Myntra haul. That's it. Yes guys, that's all for this Myntra haul. I hope you all like it and enjoyed it और आपको बहुत अच्छी information मिल गई थी. And if you like any of the product and if you have to buy, I will provide link in my description box. And I made this video specially because in my last video that was Amazon haul, I commented that do tell me you know कि मैं next haul किस चीज़ का बनाऊँ. And one of my subscriber, that is Mahima, she said that go for Myntra. So yeah, my Myntra haul is done. So yeah, I hope you all like it. And again मुझे फिर बताना comment करके, मैं सबके comment पढ़ती हूँ, मुझे ज़रूर बताना that next haul मुझे किसका बनाना चाहिए. And that haul I will make. And if you like this Myntra haul, I will come with 1 or 2 more Myntra haul. So yeah, thank you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe and stay home. And yeah, that's it. Take care guys. Bye bye.